Living in temperate zones 6 or 7, stop struggling with exotic Japanese plants that hate our fluctuating humidity. Here are the ultimate native nursery swaps. Rapid fire, let's go. Instead of a fussy Japanese maple, ask your nursery for an Eastern Redbud. You get stunning architectural branches and an explosion of color in the spring. Skip the Japanese black pine. Grab a native Virginia pine. It naturally grows with that irregular, twisting wabi-sabi character that Japanese gardens are famous for. Want the breathtaking beauty of a cherry blossom without the disease issues? Plant an American plum. You get massive clouds of white flowers that local pollinators love. Need a tall evergreen background screen? Don't buy a Japanese cedar. An American holly gives you that dense, impenetrable green wall, plus beautiful winter berries. Weeping willows look great by water but have destructive roots. Try a native river birch instead. It loves wet areas and has incredible, peeling architectural bark. For those tightly sheared kerikomi domes, skip the Japanese boxwoods. Use dwarf yaupon holly. It has tiny leaves, forms a natural dome, and shears flawlessly. Want bamboo but terrified it will take over your yard? Plant native river cane. It is literally North America's native bamboo, providing that perfect rustling privacy screen. Hostas are nice, but native foamflower or alum root gives you that perfect, tough broadleaf texture to soften your stone lanterns in those deep shade corners. Instead of a delicate Japanese painted fern, drop a native Christmas fern into your shaded areas. The best part? It stays beautifully green all winter long. Forget trying to keep velvet moss alive in our summers. Native partridgeberry is an evergreen creeper that gives you that perfect, lush woodland floor look. Instead of planting invasive monkey grass or liriope, use native Cherokee sedge. It gives you that soft, cascading edge to frame your stone paths. Want the complete nursery cheat sheet for every single growing zone? Grab our premium native plant substitution guide at the link in the description below. Take the guide to your local nursery, plant native, and start building your bulletproof Zen garden today.